Elizoba nebiro byenyini nkoko kulima ebiri 12 byokwezi kwa mukaga 2022 na mukaga webale kula Kiswahili TV UG mu studios kandi shaha ntulebaza basakonza oli Kiswahili FM. Yes, webale kuchala Kiswahili FM. Kiswahili FM webale kuba uchaliho kandi it is online streaming radio. And don't forget to be on Kiswahili TV UG, our different platforms zitu. Yes, we have 2 platforms. Yes, Kiswahili TV UG and Kiswahili FM. Yeah, nitubatu li mu studio zitu za Kiswahili TV kuba nitukuita itira mesonga zimwe stars zimwe na zimwe. TikTok tulio, Facebook tulio, wona tulio. Basa kubano utuegitao. Yes, I extend my greetings to the students of Luseke Senior Secondary School, Senior 4 and Senior 6 who are having the prom party today. Yeah, I wish you nice celebrations. Mugende mwenjoyinge kandi mbase kubanu mliya a life ishomelo nimwe mliya ushomu ishomelo hao. Yes, kandi abayijiba Kahanji St. Lawrence Senior Secondary School Kahanji hilikushangu Kibali sub-county Mukibulala sub-county there. Nimwe mja kuba mwine prom party ebiru mbija kuba ebiru byenyine abira na mukaga byokwezi kwa mukaga 2022 dija kuba tuliyo live and clear Kiswahili TV UG. Yes, tubase kuba nfuna request yanyu yokuisha kuba nitubani imwe kandi nitukola live coverage ntukola video shootings zona. Kahanji, yes, mulio kulunje teacher Kahanji Adieli Kemigisa Lozi niwe tuwakwakula webale kuba ulio akachueka ku Kahanji na deputy wa Mugume Vincent St. Felix nabo bali muhanda nibija. Yes, nabo bali muhanda nibija sazuno. Yes, nabo empate yawe erohebero 20 byokwezi kwa mukaga 2026 St. Felix nimwe tujja kuba tuli nimwe Kiswahili TV UG. Twine lya Kasinga che Senior Secondary School lya Kasinga che ejo ni somero lyange OB lya Kasinga Mr. ISJ Elijah OB nitujja kuba tulio live and clear and reporter witu batalibe banoa naja kuba natweza updates zone zokufokwe. Kiswahili TV Kasana High School nayo tuli mahanda nimwe tumaze kufuna request yanyu Kiswahili TV kuba nimujilaliza tujja kuba tulio live and clear. Kasana Senior Secondary School, yes, my village school Kalo Henyini, just along 30 meters ukurugomu kakuzao tuzakuwa tu live and clear ni mwezi kwa June. Agana masomo tuine mpanga SS tukafune request yanyu mpanga nabo bitu tubadize mna abantu bagama baje kuba mna connectinga tuegita mpanga SS. Kiswahili TV UG prom parties nizoba nizetagwa mu masomero mose mu masomero ga government na private schools. Abana nibambe expressing their ideas and we expressing their talents and we expressing their feelings to friendship, and we don't encourage relationships masomero nkago gatalega munagamu. So hati we support the schools education. We are coming for visiting the different schools, primary schools. Last year we had graduation ceremonies and they were very successful. Hamadia Modern Nasaland Primary School, thank you for supporting us. St. Felix Nasaland Primary School, Kabende Primary School. Head teacher Nwagaba Wenceslas, I love you so much. We love you so much. Thank you for supporting Kiswahili TV UG. Yes, St. Paul Canal. Yes, we will be Kitala. We will be Martin, Junior Martin. Naye kabasa kwa netuwa umulimo Blessed Senior Blessed Child Nasaland Primary School Kasesenge naye kabasa kuba netu supportinga Kiswahili TV UG. To remember kine Chisanja tumichisanja cha Yoweri Kaguta Museveni tuwahabulwa. We are here to inform the world. We are here to work together. Yes, President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. Yes, Kiswahili TV greets you and generally Muhozi David Kainerugaba, the CDF of the country of the UPDF armed forces. Niwe ntukula msiao. Wibale kuba witu Professor Ephraim Kamuntu Shema. Yes, this is a board of governors chairperson dia Kasinga che Professor Elijah Msemeza Kasana High School. Thank you for supporting Kiswahili TV.